Hey guys, Joe here from Jcs-Charting. It's Saturday the 14th of September. We have a quick look at the DAX, gold and Bitcoin. We jump straight into the weekly thread of our DAX Discord. It's a post from the 11th of July, so that is like 2 months ago, and that was our longer term view out of the weekly that we run into a primary cycle bottom between week 18 and 22 in accordance with a pullback of that pop gun, which popped here in January, and also to backtest the lower boundary of that channel. And I also gave my members that sequence, that red sequence down here, which didn't really work out. But once we are scrolling all the way down, that is my latest longer term outview. I haven't really changed the path. We made that primary cycle bottom early, 2 weeks early in week 16. That got confirmed because we are making all-time highs already. And the all-time high will tell us if we run into a left or right hand translation. Yeah, we are still at the Discord, and this is, for instance, the H4 thread, where I mainly show the short-term cycles. I try to determine sub-cycle lows. This one here, for instance, was a very high level sub-cycle bottom. We rallied. The rally is usually 200 to 300 points. Doesn't matter if the cycle is bullish or bearish, then it either turns around or it grinds higher. This one here turned around and backtested that cycle bottom halfway through, and then it broke that bottom, which means that cycle turned in bearish, and we are looking for a low into that next black line. And here we found that bottom at the 23.6 retracement. That was our sub-cycle bottom, and the next one was also bearish. This was a cycle low. The cycle shifted also a little bit, so we had a quite early low. We didn't even make the 200 points, which is already a good indicator that that cycle is about to turn in bearish, and then we expect a next low somewhere around here, and we just scrolled all the way down. That was our latest cycle update. So as we anticipated, the cycle shifted, so we were on the early side, somewhere around 38.2 retracement at 18,239, and we rallied already over 480 points, which is a very bullish sign. By the way, 18,834 is already magnet at the Cetera. And by the way, we have a new partnership with wallstreetcourier.com. They have lots of interesting data about seasonal patterns, smart money, pull-call ratio, all for the DAX as well, advanced decline ratio. I analyze that on a weekly basis from now on. If you're more, or if you're interested in more, just sign up at jcs-charting.com for much more detail. Quick look at gold. This is the H4 thread at the Discord, and you see here in blue that range, which is following us for more than a week. I said one thing is for sure: soon gold breaks out of the range, there should be a massive pressure release to the upside, or if it breaks to the downside, we go down. There are several or plenty of targets up here. One number which is very important is the 2554, which was our magnet after breaking to the upside. We hit the 2554, and this is either a big rejection here or another breakthrough, which opens higher targets over 2,600. I tried to short that, but we only got like 15 points to the downside, and then we were grinding higher above that level. So min targets are between 2609 to 2631. And last but not least, Bitcoin. This is the H1 chart. You always find a little description to it. I mentioned there's a double magnet at 56,522 to 578. We zoom in the chart. You see also that in blue, bullish wither wave wedge with its target line and these sequences. Here are these magnet levels. And in the next chart, you see already that magnet worked out great. We hit that and we triggered that sequence straight away. And this is the latest post from today. We were hitting the target line and we finished that green sequence. The blue is not even in here. There's a new blue sequence which triggered, and it hit already the min target at 66.11. Yeah, that's about it. I try to make another video about the US markets later on, latest by Monday. If you like this one, give me a like or a nice comment. And if you want to have much more, sign up at jcs-charting.com. We are very unique on timing, and nobody else does it about the DAX as I do. So I wish you a nice weekend, and yeah, enjoy.